What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. This is the moment you've been waiting for. We got the full case lineup of what we have over here at Gould's Gaming and Tech, and I'm gonna let you guys know which one that I prefer over all of them. We got the UAG, the Samsung official case with the S Pen, the clear Ringke, the Spigen Aramid Pro, the let me see if I can get this right. Puroom carbon fiber with the S Pen pocket. We have the Samsung official Airmaid case. We have the all black Ringke case and the phone itself with the D brand skin on it. But if any of this content is helpful, if you're looking for a good case for this phone, and this video is providing that assistance to make you make that determination. Oh, I gotta bring Spidey in the frame. He's my timekeeper, y'all know that. But if any of that information is helping you come to a clear, concise decision on what case you want or what cases you want, make sure to hit that thumbs up if you're new or returning. And if you are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps the channel out. So this video is going to be short and sweet, just like the other ones, because I'm not trying to waste you guys' time. So let's just go through the lineup really quick, and I'll let you guys know which one I'm rolling with. You got the Urban Armor Gear UAG case. Love this case. Down pits of it was too bulky at times, couldn't get to my power and fingerprint sensor sometimes, and that it pulled my screen or my D brand and my screen protector off. Love this case. Only drawback is that the flap doesn't completely cover over the front screen, so it pulls on it if you have the S Pen attached, and that I can't see my screen. Kind of sucks. The clear case is a fingerprint magnet. I love that it's clear though. You can see the D brand skin through it, but it's a fingerprint magnet. Spigen Aramid Pro. Love this case. It's just a little bit too bulky at times, but other than that, full protection, can't really complain. Then you have the Puroom. Love the design of it. Love how you have the S Pen slot on the back. Now you can snap it in there. It's not going anywhere, and it's pretty slim for the most part. Oh yeah, I forget to mention with this one, a little pricey, $80 right here, $80. Okay, moving on. Samsung Airmaid case. I love how thin it is. It is the slimmest case in the lineup. I love the design on the back. You really can't go wrong with this case, but it's just thin, no hinge protection, so you don't feel fully protected. Then you have the all black Ringke case right here. I love the all black look. It's smooth, it's matte black on the back. There's nothing really crazy to it, but you can get to all your cutouts and everything just fine. With this, there's no fast charging or wireless charging. You can't lay this flat on the bottom because you have this S Pen right here, which kind of sucks. And that's about it. So, which case do I actually prefer? As far as all in all, my top case that I like out of all these, most likely, you might be surprised, it is the Urban Armor Gear case. The look of it is great to me. I love the geometric look of this case. It's freaking awesome. I love the branding on the back. I love the bulkiness, so it is gonna get protected. I can get to my fingerprint sensor even though I have trouble sometimes, but my hands are big, so if your hands aren't as big as mine, you probably won't have any issues. But I love the look of this case. It makes me feel fully protected. I just know if I put this case on, have it on for a long time, because I don't want to keep peeling off my D brand skin every time I take this case off. But as far as actuality, like what I prefer over all of them, because this one is great. I find myself wanting to put this one on a lot. But as far as practical day-to-day, what's probably best for me is the Samsung Airmaid case. It works perfect, it's slim, it looks good, but overall protection obviously has to go to the Spigen. It's like every case has a different use. This one, if I want to show off the D brand skin, if I want to wear it raw, naked, I'll put that on so I can show my D brand skin. Probably last place, I would say, actually this one, because if I want to show my D brand skin, I don't want to get all these fingerprints, and this feels kind of slippery. I'll just take the case off and just wear it raw dog it. So that'll probably be last place. But first, I will have to give it to, might be a close tie between these two. Second place, I would give it to, let's see, probably this one. Third, this one. Fourth, this one. Fifth, that one right there. So if any of these cases piques your interest, make sure check out the links in the bio. The link for all of them will be in the bio, just so you know. Love you guys. Thanks for tuning in the video. We keep it short and sweet. Spidey, where we at on time? Boom, boom, boom. Okay, we had about 6 minutes. We're keeping it pushing. But I appreciate you guys. As always, stay tuned. There's plenty of content coming up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Let's get it.